Hi guys, I'm working on Mate. That's the new release, this one. That's for in a few days. March release. And I had a what if, so why not make a video about my what if. If we go for Ctrl-Alt-G, if you install Chromium, you'll have it. So sudo pacman -s Chromium, and there you can launch it. So Chromium is not installed. All the B's, right, are all minimal. There's only one browser, and that's Firefox. So on the internet part, there's Discord and Firefox. Discord because I decided to install it, right, and Chromium is now here. We don't want, well, me personally, I don't want to keep a password on my keyring, so he will not ask me again anymore for passwords. That's the thing. Let's show you what's in the what if. The beginning of the what if is actually something I've put already online. So ArcoLinux YouTube, right? And then you get links, and then you go to, wait for this one, right? Stop it, yeah. And you have here the channel. So this is the channel. Skip trial, stop the video here. And this is our search. This is the world. Don't use the world to search. Use this one to search. Now I know it's one of the last ones. Making a new icon theme, right? Making a new icon theme. I had a what if. I said, I have these icons. I have knowledge of scripting, or I will get knowledge of scripting. And can I use the scripts to change any of the icons and make them just random? So this is the GitHub where I've put the result on. And maybe some of you say, so what? We have now this GitHub. What should we do with it, right? So you should download it. Either it's a download zip, or it is this one if you think the maintainer will post something on here. If we will keep changing things, changing the code like ArcoLinux Nemesis, it's almost daily a new change, right? Then you better git clone things. But in this case, first and only commit. So I will not maintain it. It's just an exercise in bash scripting, this video. And what's the result on Mate was my what if. So I'm gonna go for download the zip. Down here I saw something, but okay. Places, home folder, go to the downloads, extract this thing. So this is more about how to get code on my machine that you find on the internet. So this guy can go in here. That's extracting. All right, mouse click, open with Grandpa. Let's see what that is. So you can extract with the button here and so on, right? But make sure you extract. And these guys, this is about the script that we learn. This is just maintenance of your GitHub. These guys need to go cut Eric. And if nobody tells you, you don't know. You don't, if there is no dot icons, you do create folder, dot icons, right? Not icons, but dot icons. A point there. Control V. So now the system knows that there is also two folders inside dot icons. So let's have a look, and that's the what if that I had, right? How will it look on Mate? So look and feel, appearance, and then you choose something already that you're happy with, more or less. So these are all the choices. So I'm gonna go for custom. Custom is already arc dark, and then customize this thing further. Arc dark, window border, arc dark, or something else. The borders can be chosen. Icons, and then where is Sardi? And there was something about rainbow. Here he is. Sardi-flexible-rainbow-arc. So this would be white. This would be white. Not a fan of that, but I am a fan of the icons of Horst3180, the creator of the arc theme. So this is looking good for me. And let's see, like this, right? Rainbow. How does it look? That's the what if. Da 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 da. Okay. right? What did I do? I took one of the icons of Sardi Ghost, and I told, take icon 1, choose any color you like. Icon 2, take any color you like. Icon 3, take any color you like. Randomizing the colors. And this is the result, right? Let's go here, right? Had zero control. Randomizing means really anything goes. Voila, now I know. That's my what if. Cheers.